Come test drive the 2022 Audi Q8. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, cruise control, trip computer, ashtray, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power tilting steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.